Once upon a snowy morning, deep in a sparkling winter kingdom, lived a princess so cheerful that even the icicles seemed to twinkle brighter when she passed by. She was known as the Christmas Princess, and she wore a gown as white and soft as fresh snow, sprinkled with tiny silver stars, and a cloak as red as holly berries, shimmering like holiday lanterns. Whenever she skipped down the palace hallways, gentle bells chimed with each step, and the air was filled with cozy scents, cinnamon, pine cones, and a hint of gingerbread. On this magical day, the golden sunlight peeked through icy windows and danced on frosty walls. The princess opened her drowsy eyes and sang, "Good morning, winter world." She swished open her curtains and sprinkled kindness dust, soft and twinkly, across her kingdom. As she did so, something lovely happened. The houses glowed warmer, families hugged tighter, and the sparkles in the snow glimmered just a tiny bit more. "Every day begins with kindness," murmured the princess, tying a bow on her cloak. Down in the bustling royal kitchen, the little helpers were busy baking gingerbread men and star-shaped biscuits. Suddenly, snap! A cookie cracked in two. The youngest kitchen helper looked terribly worried, his eyes big and round. The Christmas princess knelt beside him. "Don't worry," she soothed, "sometimes broken things make the best surprises." She scooped up the pieces and together they decorated them with icing, sprinkles, and laughter. Soon, the kitchen echoed with giggles, hugs, and the delicious scent of baking. By midday, the sleigh stood waiting, gleaming in the snowy courtyard. The princess filled it with gifts, not only toys and books, but cozy mittens, laughter, and little notes of kindness. With a bell jingle, she whizzed down the lanes, hand-delivering presents and smiles to children throughout the kingdom. "Thank you," they cried, their cheeks rosy with joy. The princess waved, her eyes sparkling. "Giving makes the day sparkle," she whispered to a shy little mouse who peeped from a snowdrift. In the afternoon, the sun shone softly as the princess played in the snow. Her woodland friends, a clever squirrel, a wiggly fox, and 3 giggly reindeer, helped her build a snowman with a carrot nose and sparkling star buttons. They all slid down snowy hills, coated in laughter, their scarves trailing behind like comets. Snowflakes twirled through the air as she danced with the animals. "Joy grows when we share it," called the princess, spinning with a reindeer under a flurry of glittering snow. As evening crept over the kingdom, painting the sky pink and purple, the princess tiptoed to the giant Christmas tree in the heart of the royal square. With a cheer, she flicked a switch and the tree burst into thousands of glittering lights, magenta, emerald, icy blue, and golden. Families gathered beneath the glowing tree. Songs floated on the winter breeze and laughter rolled across the slopes. The Christmas princess looked around, her heart as warm as a freshly baked pie. "Together is the best way to celebrate," she said, hugging her friends close. At bedtime, the princess opened her window and sent a whisper up to the twinkling stars, "May every heart feel warm, loved, and joyful." With a yawn, she curled up beside her storybook and drifted off, dreaming of another magical day to come. And somewhere, far away, a child with lonely, sleepy eyes felt a smile growing, because the magic of Christmas lives in kind hearts everywhere. Gentle message for kids: kindness makes every day magical. Helping and sharing bring joy. Christmas magic lives in caring hearts. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.